South Korea is making a bold move. In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. South Korea understands this better than most. The nation is not just participating in the global race for technological supremacy, it is aiming to lead it. It's building the world's largest AI data center. This isn't just a facility, it's a fortress of innovation. The scale of this project is unprecedented, and it reflects South Korea's commitment to becoming a powerhouse in artificial intelligence. This is a massive investment in the future. Billions of dollars are being funneled into this project, attracting global investors and tech giants. The financial commitment is a clear indicator that South Korea is serious about its AI ambitions. South Korea wants to be a global leader in artificial intelligence. The country is fostering a culture of innovation, encouraging its brightest minds to push the boundaries of what's possible. From universities to private tech firms, everyone is contributing to this grand vision. And they're putting their money where their mouth is. Significant investments are being made not just in infrastructure, but also in talent and research. This holistic approach ensures that South Korea is not just building a data center, but an entire ecosystem around AI. This data center is a statement. It stands as a beacon of South Korea's technological prowess and its unwavering commitment to the future. The infrastructure is state-of-the-art, designed to handle the immense computational needs of advanced AI research. It says, "We're serious about AI, and we're here to stay." The world is changing. As industries across the globe pivot towards AI, South Korea is positioning itself as a leader in this transformation. The data center is just the beginning. AI is at the forefront of this change. South Korea recognizes this. The applications of AI are vast, from manufacturing to healthcare, and South Korea is investing in all these areas. The goal is to integrate AI into every facet of life, making it a cornerstone of the economy. They're not just keeping up, they're aiming to lead. South Korea is hosting international conferences, fostering startups, and creating partnerships with global tech leaders. The aim is clear: to be at the cutting edge of AI development and application. This data center is a testament to that ambition. It represents the culmination of years of planning, investment, and hard work. The facility is designed to be scalable, ensuring that it can grow and adapt as AI technology evolves. It's a symbol of progress, innovation, and a future powered by artificial intelligence. South Korea is not just looking at the present, it's envisioning a future where AI drives economic growth, improves quality of life, and cements its place as a global tech leader. This isn't just any data center, it's a mega center, a colossal hub of technology and data management that will redefine the landscape of digital infrastructure. Imagine a place where countless servers hum in unison, processing and storing vast amounts of information every second. This is the future of data management, and it's happening now. Construction begins in late 2025. The initial phase will involve clearing the land, laying the foundation, and setting up the essential infrastructure. This is no small feat, as it requires meticulous planning and coordination among various teams. Engineers, architects, and construction workers will collaborate to bring this vision to life. It's expected to be completed by 2028. The location? Jeollanam-do Province. This timeline is ambitious but achievable thanks to the advanced construction techniques and technologies being employed. The province, known for its scenic beauty and strategic importance, will soon be home to one of the world's largest data centers. This site was strategically chosen. The decision was based on a combination of factors, including geographical stability, accessibility, and the availability of resources. The planners have left no stone unturned in ensuring that this location meets all the criteria for a mega data center. It supports South Korea's goal of decentralization. By moving such a significant project away from the capital, the government aims to promote balanced regional development. This move is expected to alleviate the pressure on Seoul and distribute economic opportunities more evenly across the country. Moving away from Seoul makes sense. The capital city is already bustling with activity, and decentralizing major projects can help reduce congestion and improve the quality of life for its residents. This strategy also opens up new avenues for growth in other regions. It spreads the wealth and opportunity. By investing in Jeollanam-do, the government is not only creating jobs, but also fostering innovation and development in a region that has immense potential. This project is a catalyst for economic growth and social progress. The price tag is hefty. The scale of this project is reflected in its cost, which is substantial but justified given the long-term benefits. Estimates range from $10 billion to a staggering $35 billion. This investment is a testament to the government's commitment to advancing its technological infrastructure and securing its position as a global leader in the digital economy. That's a lot of money, but when you consider the scale and impact of this project, the investment is not just necessary, but visionary. It's about laying the groundwork for future generations. But South Korea sees it as an investment in its future, its people, and its place in the global technological landscape. This mega data center is more than just a facility. It's a symbol of progress and ambition. An investment in the future of technology, their economy, and their place in the world. This project is a bold step towards a more connected, efficient, and prosperous future for South Korea and beyond. This data center is a beast. It will require a massive amount of power, 3 gigawatts to be exact. That's enough to power a small city. It highlights the sheer scale of this project, but it also presents a challenge. South Korea needs to ensure a stable and sustainable energy supply. They're looking at various options. Renewable energy sources are high on the list. It's not just about powering the data center, it's about doing it responsibly. South Korea wants to be a leader in green technology too. This project is a public-private partnership, a collaboration that brings together the strengths of both the public and private sectors to achieve a common goal. By leveraging the resources, expertise, and innovation from both sides, this partnership aims to create a synergy that drives progress and development in ways that neither could achieve alone. Leading the charge in this ambitious endeavor is Stock Farm Road, a renowned investment firm with a proven track record in fostering technological advancements and innovative solutions. Their involvement is a testament to the project's potential and the confidence in its success. Stock Farm Road is not just any investment firm, they are pioneers in the field of artificial intelligence. Their team of experts is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, constantly exploring new frontiers and developing cutting-edge technologies that have the power to transform industries. They're putting their money where their expertise is, investing heavily in AI research and development. This financial commitment underscores their belief in the transformative potential of AI and their determination to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. At the helm of this initiative are 2 visionaries whose leadership and foresight are driving the project forward. Their combined expertise and strategic thinking are crucial to navigating the complexities of this ambitious undertaking. Brian Koo and Dr. Amin Badr Eldin are the dynamic duo leading this charge. Their partnership is built on mutual respect and a shared vision for the future, making them the perfect team to spearhead this initiative. Koo is a tech entrepreneur with a keen eye for the future. His ability to identify emerging trends and capitalize on new opportunities has made him a respected figure in the tech industry. His leadership is instrumental in guiding the project's technological direction. Badr Eldin is a seasoned investor with a deep understanding of global markets. His extensive experience in finance and investment provides a solid foundation for making informed decisions that drive the project's success. His insights into market dynamics are invaluable. Together, they bring a potent mix of vision and experience. Their complementary skills and perspectives create a powerful synergy that enhances the project's potential. But they're not alone in this journey. The Jeollanam-do government is a key partner in this initiative. Their involvement is crucial, providing the necessary support and resources to ensure the project's success. This collaboration between the public and private sectors is a model of how such partnerships can drive innovation and progress. The government is not just a passive participant. They are actively engaged in the project, working closely with business leaders to allocate resources effectively and ensure that the project's goals are met. This level of cooperation is essential for overcoming challenges and achieving success. This partnership is built on a shared vision for progress and innovation. By combining their strengths and working together towards a common goal, the public and private sectors are creating a powerful force for change. This collaboration is not just about achieving immediate objectives, it's about laying the foundation for a brighter, more innovative future. Section 5. Engineering Marvel Technology and Infrastructure. This data center isn't just big, it's smart. It's packed with cutting-edge technology. Cooling is crucial. These servers generate a lot of heat. The cooling system needs to be robust and efficient. They're using advanced technology. It can handle sudden changes in energy load. Then there's the fiber bandwidth. It needs to be fast and reliable. We're talking about massive amounts of data. This data center needs to be connected to the world. They're investing in regional and international fiber optic cables. This ensures seamless data transfer. Section 6. Fueling growth, economic impact, and job creation. This project is about more than just AI. It's about economic growth, it's about creating jobs, and it's about securing South Korea's future. Estimates suggest the project will create 10,000 jobs. These aren't just any jobs. They're high-skilled jobs. Jobs in energy, renewables, equipment manufacturing, and research and development. This will have a ripple effect throughout the economy, boosting local businesses and attracting foreign investment. Section 7. South Korea's ascent to AI leadership. This data center is a statement of intent. South Korea is positioning itself as a global leader in AI. They're not just consuming AI technology, they're creating it. This data center will be a hub of innovation, attracting the best and brightest minds in AI. It will foster collaboration and drive breakthroughs. South Korea is sending a clear message. They're ready to compete on the global stage. They're ready to shape the future of AI. Section 8. A global race for AI dominance. South Korea isn't alone in this race. Countries around the world are investing heavily in AI infrastructure. The United States, China, and Europe are all vying for dominance. This data center puts South Korea firmly in the mix. It's a strategic move. AI is the future, and South Korea wants to be at the forefront of that future. Section 9. A vision for the future. Brian Koo and Dr. Amin Badr El-Din share a vision. They see a future where South Korea is a global AI powerhouse. This data center is a major step towards realizing that vision. Koo believes it will elevate South Korea to a new level of technological advancement and economic prosperity. Badr El-Din sees it as a strategic leap for Korea's global tech leadership. This data center is more than just a building. It's a symbol of ambition, innovation, and a commitment to a future powered by artificial intelligence.